This is a video collection of clips from my C-4 Corvette that I personally built from scratch, and I started road racing about 10 years ago. I wanted to make this little film so that way I can document it for myself and have memories to look back on this car. This was great. I won a couple of championships in this car, and it was a very, very fun car to race. After this car, I moved on to a C5, and then I moved on to a stock car. But this was my very first one, and I had a lot of fun in it, and I put together some of the clips from different racetracks around the state and adjoining states. So hopefully you enjoy it. This track here is Firebird, Maine. This is a drag strip, Firebird drag strip in Phoenix, Arizona, where you see a lot of NHRA races. And what they do is they take the main drag strip, which is a straightaway for the road racing, and then the back parking lot, you have left and right turns. And so it's kind of a fun track to run on. You have to be careful coming around what they call the tower turn right here, because it gets real slippery and slick. Right here where we're starting the race, you gotta really be careful. There's been some pretty big wrecks right there. So this is a Firebird, Maine race back in, I do believe this is 2009. Here we have a car fire. Kay Jefferson in his little white, I think it's a Nissan or Toyota or something, caught fire, and he was burned pretty badly. He was, of course, taken to the hospital, but they had to stop the race, so we were lined up as the fire department and rescue came out and got him and took him off. And this was a few years ago, and he still hasn't been back with this car. but he has rebuilt it, and from what I hear, later this year he's going to be back out racing his little Casper car. So that's why we had to stop the race, and luckily he recovered from his burns and is back to living a normal life.
Don't let your schemes alone in the state, in the state. Don't let your schemes alone in the state. Don't let your schemes alone on the rising sun. Don't leave them out alone.
They just pulled the ambulance onto the track. His wife just went by in her big SUV. They just brought the pace car out too. Can you not see out of it? I just don't know how gracefully I can help that wall. Brent's got long legs, I bet he could step over it.
That's the doors, there's a
Shall we
gate right
send
there.
him? Actually, he does. Yeah, he does. Don't drink too much, because then you'll have to think.
What makes heroics fine? Our own parents' life in bloody war, bloody war. Our own parents' life in bloody war. You judge what's my name, that's here, that's here. You judge what's my name, that's here. You judge what's my name, your doctrines I'm a blame. You shall hear, you shall hear. Your doctrines I'm a blame. You shall hear.
We had a complete brake failure here, went off track, and we were done for the day. And luckily, we didn't damage the car or hit anybody else. But we were finished. We got it back together and going again. It was a fun day at the track over here at Wild Horse Pass East in Chandler, Arizona. This is a little track down in Wilcox, Arizona. It's called Indy Motorsports Park. It's a private racetrack. You have to have a membership to race on it. You can rent garages and so forth. We had some race meets there, and this is a little clip. We had our C4 down there racing. Great racetrack to race at. It was an old, I believe it was a World War II bomber training facility, and the straightaway is the old runway. So good place to race. It was fun.
What it's right and what it's wrong. Sure,